Hey guys, how you doing today? Don't answer that, I don't care. If there are two things in this world that everyone likes, it's music and Second Amendment rights. For most of history, these two things have remained isolated from one another. Fitting together like peanut butter and chocolate, it was only a matter of time before someone, nay, a genius, found a way to combine these two. Anyway, here's Coolers. One of the most underappreciated channels on the platform? Yes. The one who invented gun sinks? No. But don't let that fool you. He's still one of the best in the business. Slow down with the gunshots, man. You're gonna give me flashbacks to the war. Yeah, let's just get back to talking about gun sinks before I have another episode. Well, that's what you do, silly. A gun sync is a new art form found here on YouTube, where a creator will take various clips of gunshots from a video game and synchronize them to the beat of a song. While it may seem relatively simple on the surface, a proper gun sync can be quite the laborious task. Every gun sync starts with the acquisition of the gun sounds. This is almost always done in an FPS game with a variety of weapons. Open a private match, or find a quiet spot in the game world. Make sure to have all the in-game music turned down, so the sound effects stand out. Then fire at will. Yeah. Your goal with this is to try and create a virtual drum kit of effects from the guns. Variety is key, so test out what works, see what you like, and don't be afraid of collecting too many. Once you've got about a terabyte worth of footage, turn the game off because you're done with it. Now it's time for the super boring part that nobody likes, but you gotta do anyway. You organize all your clips, you get your music ready, and you manually synchronize every single gunshot to the beat of the song. Remember, this takes a lot of time and must be done with the utmost attention to detail, as a single misplaced sound will be very noticeable to a listening audience member. Do all of this, and your video will turn out great! No, I ain't got time for that. I'm a busy man. I need to do stocks or fucking something. Hey, don't go using the C word all loosey-goosey like that. You really want a gun sync? You want a gun sync that bad? Well, here you go. I'll give you a gun sync.
Creeper. Oh man. So we back in the mine. Got a pickaxe swinging from side to side, side to side.
You're welcome. We just made a whole video talking about gun syncs. That's like your shtick, your treasure, your groove, your grind, your bit, your whole fucking channel. I'm sorry, excuse me, what?